Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll continue from where we stopped. So we are still using the solution YT training. So I think we've created two tables in general. We created the category table and the shoe stock. So now what we are going to do is we are going to add more columns to the table. For the shoe stock, we stopped then at images. We've been able to add column for image on it. So let's continue. So the first thing, okay, so what happened is for this video, it was actually recorded earlier without the voice note, so I'm just trying to do some explanation here so that you can understand. Okay, so go to the solution now. I should stock. You want to, so what we want to do now is to, I said for you to be able to use table, you have to publish it first. So we are going to the form now. So for the form, what we want to do here is we want to edit the form of that table. In the earlier video, we worked on the view. So now we want to work on the form. So we don't need this owner. We remove it. We don't need to see that. We remove it. Then the title. We need the title. We need the title from the Excel table. You can see that the Excel we are working on has the title. Then the product category. We need the product number. We need the product name, the quantity, the size. So you can see you just need to click on and it will fall into the table. Then the color. Remember we created the color column that we added it as choices. Then the image and price. So afterwards, if you're fine, we save and publish. It's after that we can use that table. Remember, that's the shoe column and shoe table, shoe stock table. So we've created how we want the form to look like. So it's saving. We have to do this to all the tables created. Anytime you create a table, you do when you publish it, go through the form and the view. So now we are going to the view. So we'll click on the active shoe stock. So I think yes, as I say, we did view in the previous video. So it's still save and publish to be sure that we've done that already. Okay, so go back. We'll go back to our tables. We want to do the same thing for the category table. We'll go to the form first. The main form. Don't make a mistake. It's the main form we want to work on. Okay, so we don't want to see the owner, that's the person that created it, so we can hide that. Then the only thing we want here is the category names. So it's okay, we can save and publish that also. So after doing this, we'll go ahead. We've done for the view of this category table, but we can still just check to be sure. So you have to create. Now that we know how to create all tables, there are other tables that we need to create also. We have to create the customer details table. This is what the customer details will look like. It will have the name of the customer. These are the columns that you're supposed to have there. The name of the customer. You can get the phone number, the email address, you can get the phone number, the contact address of the customer so that to help with delivery. So those are the other tables. You have to create the other details also, then your discount table. I think for the benefits of this training, I will do that also. Then you now go straight to now what we want to create now is our model driven app. That is after you've created all your tables. We now go straight to the app, then you go app, then you pick the model driven app. So for the benefits of this training, let's label that YT model driven. Okay, then create. So at the three eclipse there, you click on that and you switch to classic. What we want to do, we want to work on the site map. Completion continue. Okay, we got an error, but let's go back. Let's go straight to the site map. The site map will have created already. Don't worry, we get that error also. Just go back to the site map. Okay, so as I said, this we have the site map created already. So open it. We are going to edit the site map. The process we are doing now is how to create our model driven app. So the first one, you have the area list. You can edit that. Um, then we add the group. Apologies. Let's leave that to new area. So let's just leave that at new area. Then the first thing we are adding on that's the group. The group. So the group is choose stock. Then under the group, we'll add sub area. So we'll move to the right hand side and pick entity. Then remember that we have that's the shoe stock that we have there. Part of the table that we created. So we pick that. Then under the shoe stock again, we create new group, another group that will fall on the side. Let's edit that. So being customer. Then you add under that you have sub area. That is an entity. You pick entity, then the table. Remember I told you that you have to create other tables. I only put you through on how to do your custom product category and the shoe stock. So we have to create customer details and the column. The column for the customer details we have the name, address, phone number and the like. Then so after that again we'll pick another entity that will be our